Yo, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today, we are going to be doing another vlog, finally. It's been a very long time since the last one. I know, I'm aware. But, we're back. We're back at it again. We got the summer vibes going through. I got a really cool vlog for you guys today, alright? I promise. This one's actually sick. We went to Eagle Falls, me and a few of my friends, and, shenanigans went down. A lot of stuff I recorded, a lot of stuff I'd edit through, but, there wasn't really an intro, so that's how we're recording an intro right now. But guys, hope you all enjoy the video. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments. And if you guys want me to do more stuff like this in the future, I'd really appreciate if you guys drop a like or subscribe. It'd mean a lot to me. And without further ado, you guys enjoy the video.
Only day back, so I'll give you my best try to treat you the way you want me to.
This is Alex Anthem.
I never open the door, pull out a chance. You can tell me how you doing, but I don't really care. And if you ever get cold, you just have to hack it, cause I'll be cold too if I gave you my jacket. Like, whoa, you ain't sitting up right. Front is for the homies, you can sit in the trunk. I never answer my phone whenever you call it, and when the waiter brings the bill, I never reach for my wallet.
My ears are bleeding.
We're on.
Did you guys miss it?
Yeah.
No.
We're waiting.
We have like we're literally dead center like.
We're right next to who's Cameron?
Yeah.
Tristan Eli Rogers. Yes.
Can you see me standing up on a jeep?
No,
What?
there's no way.
Where?
Look for a little.
Oh, yeah, she's over there.
Are you kidding me?
Oh,
Yo! Leela!
Wait, are you gonna make it?
I wish I had better zoom.
Are you gonna make it?
Yo!
Oh, they
You were
didn't make
too
it.
late.
Oh my god.
Are you kidding?
Dude, roast Caden. Roast Caden. Do it. That was a shot. Roast him.
Yo, fight him for my YouTube video.
Yeah, fight.
Punch him in the face.
Get that slap.
Kill him. Hi, Caden. What's up, bro? Yo, what's poppin', brother? How you doing, man? How you doing?
Where were you?
My
Where's
mom,
you?
my dad's girlfriend literally is right next to you. I don't know why we don't hang out, dude.
Stop at Starbucks.
Okay, I see how it is.
That's toxic.
It's cold, man.
It's okay. You'll get an attack on him later,
I just
brother.
don't know why no one.
Good job, kid.
Yeah.
You had one fucking
He
job,
gave me
man.
such an
I missed
ugly
the
look,
beat.
dude. I'm right here. Y'all can ask me. I don't know why it's such a
Dude,
problem.
let me get a
Can I
look at
have a
those
piece of gum?
sunglasses.
What? Wes?
Hey.
What?
Gum.
I just want to see the sunglasses, but they look
Yum.
lit. Wiz Khalifa
I
looking
also
at.
have gum too. If you.
Listen, we're gonna have a real swell
Thanks,
day.
man.
It's gonna
Yes,
be
sir.
alright. Caden completely fucked up and missed his mark, but you know what? We
Yo,
got bubble
put that in
gum.
your mouth, bro.
You want me to put this in my mouth?
Put that shit in your mouth.
Is it just?
I suppose I have to now that you put me on the spot.
People like eating stuff on YouTube, like.
It's like a mukbang, but with gum.
Yeah, it's a gum mukbang.
I hate
Oh, yeah, baby.
Oh hell yeah! I'll do it for my next video. Mukbang coming soon. Maybe. Oh, Jersey Mike mukbang.
I'll fucking do that.
All sub sandwiches mukbang.
We could do an ASMR with our sandwiches at the beach.
Yeah.
These motherfuckers missed the boat. Did you tell them?
No, I know that. I got the. It was so perfect. I was filming the phone call,
you got
and
it.
they're like,
Oh,
"I'm
you
on a
got
jeep."
it.
I'm like,
Yeah.
"What? You're on a jeep?" And I zoomed in, and I see Liam on a jeep. I'm like, "Yo!"
Yeah, have fun finishing last, you fucking retards.
Hold on, it's replaying.
Oh, you're right.
Okay, ready?
Lucas.
That just leaked. Look at my
But I need that money for myself.
The sun is so
my
good.
God.
Don't film that. Don't film that. Why not?
That was really gay.
I'll cut it out. You look sick as fuck.
Cam's car?
Yeah.
They made it?
No, yeah, no, look at this.
She's like, fuck.
Chase and Lucas are on the other side
That's
in
hilarious.
Kingston, and then you go across the water.
Bro, that just goes to show, dude. That's
Fucking
a true
Lilo,
character.
bro.
Holy shit.
Yes.
Krispy
that's their
Kreme
door.
drive-thru. Guys,
Oh my god, bro.
what would you get at Krispy
This is your
Kreme right
anthem
now?
Right here.
Because we don't know yet.
You're way too beautiful.
Damn, kill it.
Ah,
Wait.
dude.
What did I say about being camera shot?
Ah, man.
I said no camera shot today. Hello. How's your day?
A baker's dozen. No, a normal's baker dozen.
No, wait, how's your day?
Like a.
Ours is good as well,
Yeah,
actually.
just
Thank
normal
you so
glazed
much for
baker
asking.
dozen. What's in the box?
What's in the
Open
fucking
it.
box?
Oh,
Fucking
what's in the
hand,
box?
bro.
Hot, dude.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Donuts, exactly.
Now you guys are mad at me.
Dude, the OGs
yeah.
are the best.
We need some good ASMR, Marty.
Mm.
Okay, no moaning. God damn, I'm trying to get
It's a
demonetized.
mukbang.
It's a mukbang. It's a Krispy Kreme mukbang. We out here, me, Hassan, and Marty. The usual suspects, alright? I actually don't, this is actually later in the day. I don't know when I'm gonna mash up with the edits for this, but we got some fools here. There's another squadron coming in later, but they're actually very late.
Sweet tea, man.
Sweet tea! Hey!
Golf course.
So we're with the squad. We're gonna try to fucking. Oh, I actually was gonna shout out Carlos in this too. I just thought of that. I thought of that earlier, but I just remembered it right now. So, yo, shout out Carlos, my #1 top donator right now. This is insane. Martin, you trying to square up? What's up? What's up?
I'm trying to square
What's up? I'll fight you through the viewfinder, bro.
Oh, yeah.
We're eating Jersey Mike's right now, so that's lit. We're doing a lake day. I literally I just had like a lapse of like my entire brain. I forgot even what I was gonna say in the intro. We're doing a lake day. Anna, you got Anna. We don't need your essence here, all right? We don't need your sprays. Is that hand sandy or a nice spray?
Oh, never mind. It's not.
See, I knew it was some random ass like witchcraft fucking.
Oh, whoa.
Puta coño chingañe.
Doing all right there, Tex?
She almost just ruined everything,
Nice.
but it was all saved. The day is saved. There's a lot of stuff in there.
I know.
I actually have my water bottle back in there. Can you open that again?
Oh my god.
Thank you, Anna. Appreciate it.
I got pillows just in case you wanted.
I was gonna say this looks like a slumber party aftermath. Oh, that's a long one. A sub above. Oh my god, bro. Look how high those trees mountain. Whoa! Look at the right! What the? You go where your heart wants you to go. Man, we in the country. Hey, brothers! Billy Bob's back in town! Dude, that is beautiful over there! Oh my god!
Right now, baby.
Beauty queen on a silver screen. Living life like a
You know, just casually walking on a train track. As one does. It do be like this sometimes. Oh, there's the people! Holy crap. Okay. Hello. What the fuck? Hey! Lucas! What the fuck? You guys see him, right? Did you guys see him? They're playing beer pong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you get that on tape?
I'm filming everything right now.
You got that guy though?
What guy? The eye patch guy?
The guy
guy who
pulled
tried
over,
to
he
fight
said, get the
Hassan.
fuck out of the road, and he like almost fought us.
He got out of his truck.
Oh no, I didn't see that.
Hassan told him-
Where was that?
He was like, get the fuck out.
Damn.
You were walking when you would seen it.
Yeah, my bad. That's clean over there though, look at that. Look way up there.
Back at night is gonna be super sketchy if it's like dark. So we
What if
can't-
it's less traffic? It'll be honestly less sketch.
Yeah, but we don't know if there's gonna be less traffic. It's great. Can you grab it really from my beverage? What?
Fucking beer pong here, mate. Absolutely bloody wild. Alright, it's me and you, Lucas. This is Lucas, by the way. Fucking alcoholic. Shit, man. We be out here. Oh, fuck. Holy crap. I'm sweating so much. Yo, me and Dylan, baby. Fuck me. We're out here, brothers. I gotta be careful with this goddamn camera. There's Marty. Hi, Marty. So this is crazy. We're at Eagle Falls right now. Real quick, I just want to shout out my boy Carlos because he, you know, top donator. Fucking young goat, baby. So you know how it go, baby. He's fucking crazy. This is fucking freezing. I'm gonna check back in on the vlog as soon as I'm fucking out of there. We'll see what the fuck's up. Me and Dylan be vibing. Alright. I'm going back in. You going back in, Marty? Yeah, man. Go back in. God damn. Say hi to the vlog, boys. Let's go, boys.
Fucking Jersey Mike's is so good.
Yeah, bro. Italian sub. Let me get a little. Oh, you already fucking put it away. It's in his belly now. One more saving.
Yep.
Have you saved it twice now?
Yeah.
That's what's up, baby.
I gave Lucas one.
That's heat. You like it?
Yeah.
Is it heat, brother? Hell yeah. You look good with this camera. I'm not gonna lie to you, Lucas.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this. I mean, the lighting probably too. It's fucking looks sick. and it's focusing just on you.
Yeah, I wonder how far these woods go.
Bro, you know Slender Man's in there, right?
Go fuck.
It's pretty rough, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't blame you if you don't want to go.
Alec, vlog this shit.
I've been, bro. Get it.
Bro, take some Tinder pics. You know what I'm
I got you, bro. I can take screenshots of any of this shit. Work it, Jared. Work it. Work it. I see you. I see you. Oh, God. He's going deep. Keep moving. Keep that blood heat or something. I don't know how our bodies work.
Do it.
Bro, have you felt it?
Yeah, I was in there. I swam over there.
Just go all the way in. Dude, people are doing. I already swam. It's not that bad. People are doing flip jumps.
Facts. Dylan's not a liar. He knows what he's talking about.
Oh my fuck.
You gotta just send it, baby. Don't go deep though. Go that way, okay? It's gonna be hard, but you're gonna feel stronger. That's what you do, baby. Michael Phelps, that bitch.
Sean, I had no idea we were swimming today. I literally had called captain. I'm like, wait, you guys know the waterfall, right?
God damn, this fucking Harley. God damn. The best thing to do is to swim hard, because then you're moving faster and you keep the adrenaline.
Right, Sean? Right, Sean?
Yes, Kaden.
Lifeguard on duty.
Are you a lifeguard?
Yeah.
Oh, word.
But technically not.
Yo, these guys got a floaty? Are you kidding? These guys are the plug. They look like nomads. Ah, Requiesta.
Stick on the ground.
Yeah.
It's not a paddle. I thought it was trying to paddle. It's a stick. It's just hitting the ground.
They could easily make that, I think. Man, I wonder. Oh God, they better hurry. They gotta beat the rapids.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's scary. Everybody's staring at them right now. Oh shit.
They ain't on land yet, Lucas. They ain't make nothing.
They ain't made nothing yet. They're still
Oh, they got it.
just about there. He's like, grab the rock.
Oh!
Grab the rock. It's whipping.
Oh! Uh-oh. They're slowing down? Yeah, they got it. Yo, let's go, baby. Woo!
Look at you make good time right there. You're going pretty quick.
It's cycles.
Professional swimmer. Be careful coming up on the rocks.
Oh.
Go slow with it so you get the footing.
I see you got those babies in four-wheel drive.
Four-wheel drive, baby. Always. All right, guys, let's go. I'm ready. No.
One of those fucking horse girls.
Absolutely warling nights. Fucking warling. Martin, look up. That was perfect. Alright, we're skedaddling. This is part of the vlog, so you guys are all in it.
Yay!
Gang, gang. It's such a good camera quality, too. Look, you can see yourself. Whoa, whoa, bro. They're not just a zoozing. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Face, man.
Click. Fight me. Fight at the Eagle River, fucking. Somebody get pushed in.
It goes down here, dog, every day, I swear to God.
Eagle kills man at Eagle Falls. Hot girls.
Mike White cheated on me with the salmon?
I actually live in that bush over there.
Homeless man finds refugee at Eagle Falls. There's so many possibilities, man. It's the 5-0. Oh, she kind of hot. It was a hot cop. I've never seen that in my life.
She was a little hot.
A little heat on her, you know? Mild temperature. Biker gang on top, baby. Fucking Leela.
Yo, there's a car coming, guys.
You good, Anna? I know, that was
I'm gonna baby wrap.
definitely my fault, too.
I'm gonna baby wrap.
We doing our heist tonight, brother?
Oh, hell yeah, man.
You got the money in the bag. The cartel's on their way on the train, okay?
$1 million.
They have at least 27 pounds of cocaine. Hi! Hi, doggies! Alright, we are leaving Eagle Falls. Anna is tripping on the railroad.
Flip-flops.
Gucci flip. What? Really?
Yeah.
I didn't see it.
Wait, guys.
What?
Here, Alex.
Oh! Yo, catch it, Anna. It's for the vlog. Catch it. Catch it.
I got bit by a snake once.
Okay, do it again. That's big tough.
Bro, he literally hid under the railroad curb back of this shit.
I wonder how far down they go.
They're like little moles, man.
Yo, dude, why did you just run? Oh.
Nature calls. Chase, do a dance.
Do you dance? Why do you dance?
Oh.
I'm done.
It looked nice though.
Bro, I bet they constantly patrol us. We just can't park to a certain point.
We're leaving.
Thank you. Yeah, that's fucked.
Yo, fuck the police gang. Fuck the police gang.
Alright, I'll meet you guys at the general store.
Alright, we'll see you there, partner.
Yay!
I know, I just keep filling everything. We love you, Chase. Is that right there, mate?
Oh yeah.
Oh, is that correct then, mate?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, matey. Look at these freaking mountains, brother.
I know.
God damn.
This is where I mean, not
God
that's a
dang.
shocker, but Crystal Mountain's here. That's where we all ski.
Oh, word.
Yeah,
That
Index
makes
and
more
Gold
sense.
Bar are the towns you hit right before you go there. And Enumclaw, of course.
This looks sick.
Hey, where'd you get the jerky, bro?
Yo, hop in frame. Both of you guys
Yeah,
hop in.
definitely slipped me a piece.
Just me and you, son.
Thank you.
I got the mountains in the background. That kind of looks sick.
That's a fat one.
The backgrounds just look cracked at the rolling, man. I just feel like we're like not in Washington. Does it feel like a country type of thing or something? And then like this kind of feels like Hawaii.
Nah, I mean Hawaii because of the mountains, I guess.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah. Like mountain clouds. I feel like that's a volcano, low key. What happened?
Like that. Like it was like
Yeah.
that, and he like literally like did like
Oh, some
180
fucking-
back in the car, dude.
Fucking old dude.
Dude,
like,
I'm telling you, I got the golden thing because like I heard like get the fuck out of the road. I'm like, oh, that's kind of funny. And then I see like the group looking uneasy, and then he hops out, and then you went like straight. You're like, what the fuck you want? Can't say that word because I'm not that shade, but you did. So let's say it. What the fuck you want?
Yeah.
And then like he's like, well, if all of his brethren hear that, then I'm surely fucked. So he like hopped in his car and like just.
Oh, my brethren here then.
Dude, his eyes and his wife's eyes were like mortified, like pure terror on the face.
They deserve it,
They're
man.
driving away, like, which is like, dude, like, it's like
Oh God. Like.
he's complaining about you being in the road, and he's literally gonna get out of his car in the middle of the highway to go fight some kid. It's like, dude, what the fuck is your logic
and you're gonna
there?
get your ass whooped.
Yeah, you want to go get your ass kicked and start a traffic jam? It's like, all right, that makes no sense.
Yo, Dylan. Yo, you think there's some floppers in that fucking ice chest right there?
Search, but
Let's search that shit. Yo, we got Kane up in the Jeep, fucking pulling up.
Yeah, I like pull that
Okay, I
trick,
pull
dude.
up, hop out at the after party. You and oh man, he looks pissed. Caden, smile.
Yeah.
Oh, oh my gosh, that looked crazy.
Yeah, dude. I'm just trying to do my job here.
I'm just trying to do my job.
You were booking on the train tracks. I thought you were running for cops, dude.
Oh, I was fucking going to take a shit.
Dude, you
Dude, yeah, somebody's gonna have to use the bathroom. Like, yeah.
dude, I was
What a squadron. You're back.
Yeah.
This looks so cool.
Keep going down.
Look at this. Doesn't that look sick?
It does.
The focus is so awesome.
Lily got service.
Chase is a model, bro.
Dude,
What's going on?
That's a thumbnail and a half right there. Marty, hello.
I know, I look like a dork.
Hello.
$20.
Stop hiding, Leela.
Wait, can
Guys, this is Caden Snapchat. Scan the code if you need. He'll hit you up. The what?
My story's just car shit.
That's good. That's good. You know, promotion actually. So I think it'll be good.
What? Like that fucking tailpipe I saw the other day.
Wait.
oh yeah, birds aren't real, obviously.
Yeah. What is that? What is that supposed
You
to
have
mean?
your fucking Snapchat.
Birds
on
aren't
your
real,
car.
bro.
Damn.
How's that?
They're government drones.
Oh, I know. Yeah. They recharge on the telephone wires.
Exactly.
Yeah. That's tough.
It's all for surveillance.
You
That's how they watch you.
You got your snapshot on the car.
This is the most random stickers ever. This is a sick shot, bro.
It definitely does work. He's not gonna have to watch
Oh, that's sick. What is it? Oh shit! We got some birdies. Hey, little guys.
Oh shit.
Oh, hey, man. Hey, man. You don't want your picture? I got you. I'm sorry. It's my bad. If they attack me, bro, it'd be such good content. Clickbait. Attacked by nest of birds. Show me the shopping haul, Leela. What's the shopping haul?
I got a hand sanitizer because COVID.
Am I in this clip?
You can if you want to.
right,
You have to
good.
insert yourself.
No, just put me in there like background. I like it.
All right, you're in the background. Here. I'll zoom in on Leela, and then you'll be right in the out of focus frame. Oh, that's actually sick. This is kind of like a shopping haul. I thought you only got the hand sanitizer. Wow!
Sour Patch.
Wow!
What are you doing?
Oh, that's actually a
I will beat your ass.
fight!
Are you in that? He
Damn it.
loves me. He loves me not. He
Yes,
loves me.
that's good. I've tried that like twice. That's actually really good lemonade. Oh, and that's the Ben and Jerry, baby. Man, you really did haul it out.
The same exact flavor.
All right, we should probably stop hanging out in a parking lot and get moving.
Yeah.
I want to get swimming.
Oh my God, I'm on a dream trip right now. Wow. Hey, Lucas. Lucas, what are you doing? Where's all that toughage right now, man? Where you coming at that car, man? Where that smoke? I don't have much content right now. I need to do what I can get, you know?
Took you a bite.
Eat it. It's okay if you spit too, because then that'll be funnier. If you can't handle it, it's fine. We're desperate, man.
Man, somewhere licking his lips, dude. Watch.
Yeah? Can we get a zoom in? Wait. Not on your mouth. I want to see that goblet. Thank you.
Look at it.
Hell yeah. That's hot. Man, the ice cream fans are going wild right now. Hey. What's going on? I don't do vlogs, so fuck it. Blow me a cloud.
We could just check out the
Oh,
spot.
thank you.
Further up.
Like a dragon.
Whatever you saw. If it,
I appreciate it.
That's pretty funny.
all right.
It's such a funny shot.
Oh damn, yeah, get that punch. Oh, that looks dope. Hold it still. Vibes. I think you went too close. Or put it in like macro mode. You got macro mode?
Oh, fucking no.
It's called micro.
Micro? It's called macro, isn't it?
Micro.
Really?
I bought it. Like microscope.
Now somebody
Makes
flick
sense.
it. Just kidding. That's pretty cool.
I don't know. Are you allowed to edit TikToks onto your videos?
Dude, my guy Carlos, who's donated the most to me, like ever, he made me a TikTok account. It's just at AssassinOfEgypt. Sick, you can see the private property right there. Alright, pack her up. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you guys would be so kind as to drop a like or subscribe, it would mean very much to me. And let me know if you guys would like to see more of these in the future. Without further ado, guys, thanks for watching. And as always, Zadoses.
Drop